Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open and change Spotify settings on your computer. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed into your account. From the Spotify interface, open the Settings page. Once Settings is open, you will see several different sections that allow you to customize your Spotify experience. At the top, you can see the Account section. This area provides options related to your Spotify account and login methods. Next, we have the Language section. Here, you can choose the language you want Spotify to use. After selecting a different language, Spotify may require you to restart the app for the change to take effect. Below that, you will find Audio Quality. This is one of the most useful settings for music listeners. Here, you can choose your preferred streaming quality. You can also find the Normalize Volume option, which helps keep the volume level more consistent between different songs and podcasts. Next, we have the Your Library section. Here, you can manage your library layout and other library-related options. You may also see an option to import music from other apps. Continue scrolling down, and you will find the Display section. This includes options that control how certain Spotify panels and features are displayed. Further down, you can see Videos and Canvas settings. These options control features such as Canvas visuals and other video-related content that may appear while listening. To change any setting, simply select the option you want or turn a switch on or off. Spotify generally saves these changes automatically. You can continue scrolling through the Settings page to explore additional options and customize Spotify according to your preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to access Spotify settings and manage some of the most useful options. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Spotify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.